So it's that time of year again. I've got to put the top back on my '08 Wrangler. So what he did last year, well, not last year, what he did at the beginning of this year is I bought a Harbor Freight hoist, and that's what I used to pull the hard top off of my Jeep so I could put the soft top on for the summer. And I kind of left it attached to the rafters of my garage. I used a couple of straps from Harbor Freight to distribute the load a little bit better so it wasn't all centered in one spot. The hoist made it a lot easier. So I'm going to use the hoist today to lower it back down and attach it to my Wrangler. And I'll film a little bit of that so you guys can check it out. I'll also put a link to the hoist in the description of this video so you guys can check it out as well.
Move it around for a second.
Yeah. You're probably good. Good?
Alright.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, it's on. Way easier though than last year.
Oh yeah, just kind of try to hold it like this so it's going to line up, but I'm going to let it down.
Alright.
Alright. You ready?
Yep.
Like I said, watch your fingers, don't put them under there.
Yep.
I think we're in.
It's actually, yeah, perfect.
Wasn't that way easier than last year?
Way easier than last year.
It was like night and day.
It's like a whole new world.
Oh, I know. So using that hoist made it a lot easier to install and remove the top on this Jeep. It was night and day. Before I had to have like 3 people help me out, put the top on. As you can see, I had my daughter, this is her Jeep, help to kind of keep the top from turning on me. So once she could keep the top in position, I was easily able to lower it down, kind of line up the pins on the top, under the body of the Jeep, and it all kind of fell into place. It was really easy. The whole thing took me about 45 minutes to put it on, get it bolted down. It wasn't hard at all. I probably could have did it in about 30 minutes, but I had to move some stuff out of my way. Got to clean my shop too, it's a mess now. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have a question, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.